Namaste everyone. Today's video is on yoga for spondylitis. The first asana that I'm about to show you is Marjarasana. For that, get in Vajrasana. Keep your elbows closer to the knees. Get on your palms. Distance between the palms is shoulder length. Distance between the knees is waist size. Make sure your wrist, elbow and shoulder is in one line. Position A is head up, back down. Position B is head down, back up. In this, push your stomach inside. Again, position A, head up, back down. Position B, head down, back up. Relax and come back in Vajrasana. Hands on your thighs. Completely relax yourself. The next asana is Shashankasana. It is a forward bend asana in Vajrasana. Place your hands beside the body and bend forward, forehead touching the mat. Make sure your hips and heels are touching together. If you're not able to touch your forehead to the mat, you can keep it slightly away from the mat and you can place a pillow or anything from support between the forehead and the mat. If not, keep your forehead down. You can keep your hands stretched like this or keep them beside your body, closer to your body. Slowly come out of the posture, lift your body up. Place your hands on your thighs and relax. The next asana that we are going to do is Adho Mukha Svanasana. For that, come in Falak Asana, plank position. Slowly lift your hips upwards and push your heels downwards on the mat. Press your chest inwards, hands straight from the elbow. If you cannot stay in this position, you can bend your legs and then stay in the position. Slowly come out of this asana. Get in Vajrasana and relax, placing your hands on your thighs. The next asana that we are about to do is Ardha Matsyendrasana Asana. For that, fold one leg, heel beside the hips, not below the hips. Bend the other leg like this. Place the opposite elbow outside of the knee. Straight, fingers and thumb together. Place the other hand behind you and twist and look at the wall behind you. Stay in the posture. Slowly come out of the posture. Release the asana. Release your hands, release your legs. Now bend the other leg. Heel beside the hips. And the other leg bent like this. We'll twist to the other side. Other hand will be straight from the elbow and behind you. Hold the posture according to your capacity. Slowly release the asana, hands straight. Release the legs and relax. Now turn to one side and lie down on your back. Now we'll do Setu Bandhasana. For that, fold your legs, heels closer to the hips, not touching each other. Palms facing downwards. Slowly lift your hips, lower back, middle back. To lift it higher, place your hands below the waist. Chest will be touching your chin. Make sure distance between your knees and your heels is the same. Do not let your knees drift apart. To come down, slowly come down. If you are unable to hold the position, simply move your hips up and down. Do a dynamic movement. And slowly relax and come down. Legs straight, hands beside your body. Now we'll do Matsyasana. For that, legs together. Your crown of the head will be touching your mat. Place your fingers beside your ears. Slowly lift your head and your chest and place the crown of your head on the mat. Relax your hands. You can place them on your thighs. To come out of the posture, lift your head and your chest again and slowly come out. Relax. Now turn to one side and lie down on your stomach. We'll do few asanas in this posture. Now we'll do Shalabhasana, chin touching the mat, hands below your thighs. Slowly lift your right leg straight from the knee. Lift it as much higher as possible. Hold it according to your capacity. Slowly come down. Lift the left leg. Again, leg straight from the knee and hold it according to your capacity. And slowly come down. Then lift both the legs together. Make sure your legs are straight from the knee. And slowly relax. Hands beside your body. Relax on one of the cheeks. Now we'll do Dhanurasana. For that, forehead touching the mat. Fold your legs, grab the ankles, roll back your shoulders, and slowly lift your head, neck, and your chest. Lift your legs from your thighs. Tilt your head back. Hold the posture according to your capacity. Gently come down, release your legs and relax on one of your cheeks. Slowly turn to one side and sit down. Thank you so much for watching my video till the end. I hope you liked it. See you next Friday. Bye.